Class 2, it's time for science workbook. So open your science workbook, page number 32. Let's open the page number 32. Activity 4, unit rocks. First of all, you will write down your name, class and date. Today we will do activity 4. Today our activity about which is made of rock. Which object in the picture below are made of rock? Write the numbers of this object in the table below. Tick the columns to show what type of rock each object is made of. Class 2, firstly look at this picture. It is the picture of kitchen and here are different items which have numbering. Firstly we will discuss them. Okay. First object 1 is a statue and statue is made of marble and marble is a rock. Object number 2, a hand towel. A hand towel is made of cloth. Okay, object 3. Object 3 is a sink spot made of bricks, baked clay. Okay. Object number 4 is a metal wok. Metal wok is not a rock. Next object is 5 is a floor tile. Floor tile is made of clay. Object 6 is a speckled granite countertop. Granite is also a rock. Object 7, a granite mortar and pestle used for pounding. Number 8 object is a clay pot and clay pot is also a rock. Okay, class 2, here are the table and table have 4 columns and numberings. Which type of rocks? Okay, there are 4 columns: object, granite, marble, clay. And tick the column to show what type of rock each object is made of. First object is statue and statue is made of marble. Okay. Number 3 object is a sink spot made up of bricks. Bricks means clay. It is made up of clay. Number 5 object is a floor tile and floor tile is made up of clay. Number 6 object is a speckled granite countertop. Countertop is made up of granite. Number 7 object is a granite mortar. It is also made of granite. Last object is a clay pot and clay pot is made of clay. Okay, come on the next activity, page number 33. Okay, page number 33, activity 5. And the activity is about marble. Use the internet or other reference sources to find out which of the following buildings are made of marble and tick the correct boxes. Okay, first one is a Taj Mahal. Children, do you know where is a Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is in India and it is made of marble. Okay, next number 2, Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is in Paris and it is made up of puddled iron or a type of traditional wrought iron. Number 3 is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is built from stone, bricks, wood and other materials and it is in China. Angkor Wat. The main building material for Angkor Wat is sandstone. Number 5, Jaswant Thada. Jaswant Thada is made of marble. It is also in India. Sphinx of Egypt. It is made from a limestone. Okay, come on the next activity on page number 34. Okay, next activity number 6 about rocks from building. Which of the following are used as building material? Tick the type of building material and state what is used for. Marble, slate, granites, gemstone, gravel. Okay class, here are a table and table have 3 columns: type of rock, building material and uses. Okay, the type of building material and state what is used for. First one is a marble. Marble is a building material and it is used for pillar and floor. Number 2 पर है granite. Granite is a building material. Yes, it is a building material and it is used for wall making. Slate is a building material. Do you know? Yes, it is also a building material and it is used for making roof. Number 4, gravel. Gravel is also a building material and it is used for road, pavement. And last one is a gemstone. Children, do you know gemstone is a building material? No, it is not a building material. It is a beautiful rock. It is used for making jewelry. Okay, thank you.